Now class 7, today you have to read about the properties of soil, that is soil texture. Now texture means structure of soil. The structure of soil is mainly dependent on the size of the soil particles. As you know that soil is formed by weathering of rocks. Now there are three types of soil particles. Some particles are coarse, bigger, that is coarse means rough in touch, and it is bigger particles that is called the sand particles, and some particles which are very fine and smooth, that is called the clay, and the intermediate particles of sand and clay is called silt. Now there are three types of soil particles, that is sand, silt and clay. Sand is the bigger particles and are coarser, that is rough, and clay is the very fine particles and are smooth, soft. Now silt is the intermediate particle, that is its size is between the sand and clay, and it is neither very rough or not or smooth. Now on the basis of three particles, there are three types of soil, that is sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Sandy soil that contains the sand particles, and here these particles have air space between them. Now this sandy soil is the well aerated. Now passing of water takes place easily. Now we are saying that it drain quickly, that is water is passing through this water very quickly. Now it is, if the crops are grown in this soil, that crops need much water, that is in a sandy soil, cucumber, watermelon, kheera, crops are produced. Now clay soil. Clay soil has the higher proportion of clay particles, and there are very little spaces between the soil particles, that is this clay soil is not well aerated, and this has there is no easily passing of water takes place, that is it retain the water, that is water logging problem is in clay soil, that is it has tendency to stop the water through passing. Now it retains the water, and due to which logging of water may take place, and logging of water is harmful for plant, because in that soil plant cannot do respiration process by roots, and there will be decay of stem. Now this has the water retention power is much, and water logging is very much here. Now it is not well aerated, and so plants do not feel comfortable in this soil. Now most of the plants are not grown in this, only paddy plants need much water. Now in clay soil, paddy plant is grown. Now loamy soil is the mixture of sand, silt and clay, and it can hold both, that is air space and water also. That is, it can hold air and water. It has air spaces between the soil particles and it can hold the water. Now it is best soil for the crops. It has humus also. Now it is in this soil, that is in loamy soil, plants can respire easily by roots, and it takes water from the soil also. Root can take water from the soil also. Now this is the soil texture. Understand?